Hey, BeautyPass members. This week, you got to try Alastin Skincare's HA IMMERSE Serum. Our editors gave this the 2022 New Beauty Award for Best Hyaluronic Acid Serum because it instantly helps boost skin hydration at the surface for smoother, more radiant-looking skin. Incorporating this into your routine is easy. To open the bottle, twist the top silver collar of the bottle until the pump emerges completely and clicks into place. To close, twist the opposite direction. Apply 1 to 2 pumps twice a day. This should be applied as the first product in your daily routine. The Proprietary Octapeptide-45 helps the skin's ability to naturally increase its own high molecular hyaluronic acid production deep within for long-term skin plumping, anti-aging, and hydration benefits. If you've tried this award-winning serum, make sure to share your experience on social and tag @NewBeauty. And don't forget to share the love by having your friends and family join BeautyPass. They can sign up at BeautyPass.com.